Mom opens a can to find a freakish creature staring at her. What is it? Sometimes you end up discovering disturbing things that you never imagined stumbling upon. The same is the case with Zoe Butler, a woman who resides in the United Kingdom and is a mother of 2 children. Along with her work, she loves to cook. Utilizing packaged food is easier, and you can be innovative with it. One can easily come up with new recipes that are good to taste and also save time. Frozen veggies, flavored drinks, and everything was widely used in the household. She had all the trust within the packaged food for several years, until an incident left her and all of those who read about it in clear deception. The incident was grim to an extent that Zoe immediately logged into her Twitter to contact Nottingham Post about her findings. They further researched to reach a conclusion that was difficult to gulp, creating doubts about tinned food. One afternoon, Zoe was preparing lunch for the entire family. She decided to make tuna sandwiches and reached to the fridge door in order to grab the tuna can. As she was cutting open the can, she was shocked to see something staring straight into her eyes from within the can. At first, Zoe stepped back. She was thrilled. She rubbed her eyes to clear the view, but the sight had not changed at all. From inside the can, 2 dark black eyes were staring back at her. There was a living creature inside, for nobody knows how long, and still alive. The lunch meal was postponed, and Zoe ran to get her phone to fill an immediate complaint. The packaged cans go through a number of processes to ensure the quality food is actually worth the money paid. Not just the ingredients are managed perfectly, but the preservatives and security checks make sure that the product has no complaints. However, still, some mistakes go unseen, leaving regular users in a state of disgust, lifting off their trust from the canned food. Similar questions were in Zoe's mind, but her recent encounter was what made her believe that still more attention had to be paid by both manufacturers and the users. To prove her point, she took the following step. She posted a tweet tagging Nottingham Post with a picture of the small unknown creature in her tuna can. Zoe questioned the authorities for the inconvenience that could have caused serious trouble if anyone would have eaten it with the fish. The pictures went viral and were found all over the internet. The followers had different opinions ranging from bloating fish, parasites, or maybe an outer space creature. Everything was suggested. Surprisingly, nothing amongst the suggestions were actually close to the large-eyed creature. Some experts joined the conversation only to conclude that the creature was edible, but still nobody would be pleased to have it in a tuna can. It was a small crab, named Eric by Zoe. He actually had more than 6 tiny legs. Oh, what a great discovery in a totally unwanted place. Crab and tuna? Unfortunately, Eric didn't survive for long without the tuna can. He died. But the incident left many people to doubt the quality check of the packaged food, and was never actually forgotten. His memories shall be alive on the internet forever. Zoe has a message that we all must keep in our mind since all of us are using packaged food on a daily basis. The company does its job, but sometimes a few mistakes go unnoticed. So it's our duty to cross-check whatever we buy.